In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the font and also the font size on your Arduino IDE. So when you start your Arduino IDE, you will have an interface like this. So a few things you can notice is maybe the font is too small, so that's easy to fix, but also the font here that was chosen by default is maybe not the more readable. And when you program your Arduino, you may find that this font can be quite annoying. And to change that, well, first we're going to go to File, Preferences, and here, well, you have the editor font size. So you can just change the size if you want to. I'm going to put 18. For this tutorial, you can just choose whatever you want. And then I'm also going to add, to click on Display Line Numbers. Okay, that's just a little bit better for readability. I click on OK, and now you can see the code is much bigger. So that's a little bit better, but the font is still not great. So I'm going to go to File again, Preferences, and then I'm going to click on that file here. You can see more preferences can be edited directly on the file. So I'm going to click here. That will open a file manager, okay? Because to change the font, you can't change the font directly in the Arduino IDE. You need to change it in that file. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to close the Arduino IDE, and then I'm going to open this preferences.txt, okay, that you can find here, and I'm going to search here for editor.font, and you can see the default is monospaced, and then you can see here the size font that we have chosen, which is 18. So what I am simply going to do is to change this, and instead of monospace, I'm going to use Consolas, okay, like this, C uppercase ONSOLAS. Okay, that's the font that is used by many people programming with Arduino on the Arduino IDE, and this is much more readable. And then plain, well, you could use plain, bold, etc., but for now, this option doesn't work, so just leave plain like this, and then you have the font size. Now that you have chosen Consolas, you can just save the file, so I can Control S or just save, and then close the preferences.txt. And then you can restart your Arduino IDE, and this is what you will get. Okay, as you can see, with the same font size, the text is much more readable. So now I have shown you how to change to Consolas, but if you want to use any other font that is supported for the Arduino IDE, just repeat the step again and change to the font you want. Make sure that you close the Arduino IDE, modify the file, and then open the Arduino IDE so you are sure that it's going to work. If you liked this video, subscribe to get more tutorials like this in the future. Also, check out my online courses so you can learn Arduino step by step in an efficient way by practicing and directly going to the point. Links in the description. Alright, thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial or in one of my courses.